What is up, everybody? Today we're back with another video on my channel. I got a new phone today, and it has, you're gonna freak out, 27 hours of recording right now, but we're not gonna do all 27 hours. I'm just gonna make this one of my usual videos. Might be a little longer because we're playing the cat game today. Yeah, so if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below any games you want me to play, because I can literally pretty much download any one. And so, yeah, the cat game is where you literally get a cat. Hi. No worries. I just take pizza then. Okay, so, yeah, this is the cat game. Choose. I choose him. I'm going to name him... Cutie. Boom. Cutie. Oh, thanks. I'm taking me to the hamburgers now. Okay, so, this is cat game. What you do, I've played this game before, I think. I need to give him some food. So, here, I'll give him, oh, he literally eats it. That's cool. Cool. Okay, your cat is full. Ready to deliver. Okay, I got a new cat. This is just a tutorial, everyone. Oh, there we go. Delivery. Oh, it literally delivers you. Oh, cool. Woohoo. So, yeah, this is a cat game. Spin. So, I should get a cat card. I got a cat card. Woo! No, I got Tabby. I want to keep his name Tabby. Yeah, so he's hungry too. Oh, he has to get fed too. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is the cat game. It's really, I keep saying that. It's just really fun. So once you get a lot of cats, it like gets a lot more complicated. So yeah, what I'm trying to do right now is just get through the tutorial. There we go. Now I'm out of the tutorial. So I believe, yeah, you can. Okay, so you can deliver this one. Deliver. Oh, you can't deliver while something else is delivering. Okay, so this cat is so hungry over here. Tabby's like just eating and eating and eating. Yeah, so if you guys want to make, if you want me to do a series on this one, oh, Calico. Aw, I'm gonna rename him to Spot. Please like this video. It would really mean a lot if you just hit that little like button and click that red subscribe button, and guess what? You'll have amazing luck on this game if you get it. So yeah, this is basically it. And what you do is, well, simple of what I've been showing you. You basically just, well, feed your cats. Sounds simple enough, but oh, it gets harder. Okay. So yeah, I have a calico cat named Spot. I have a tabby cat named Tabby, and I have a I forgot what the other cat's name is. Cutie. Yeah, I also have Cutie. So yeah. Sheesh. This is a really fun game. I like it. And if you guys want me to play any other games, please just leave a comment. Like, I seriously want to play some games you suggest. So here's Tabby. Hi, Spot. Wait, Spot hungry? No, it's Tabby. Here, eat some food. How do you get more food? Is there like a shop? Here, I'll give you one at a time, Tabby. Okay, everyone is full. Really? You're hungry again? Okay, everyone's ready to deliver. So yeah, these cats are all delivering stuff to me. Thank you. I really like this game. I have pretty much infinite time to record. Ooh, Japanese Bob. What? Okay, what happened? I reached level 2, yay. Like a little present. Oh, Siamese, all cool. I love Siamese kittens. I got 200 coins and, excuse me? Is that a diamond cat? Okay, that's awesome. Whoa, wait, what? Whoa, we just built a whole new floor. How? How did you guys build a new floor if you're cats? No new set of cats can live there. Okay, cool. The fancy cats. Okay, so Siamese cats are fancy, I guess? Oh yeah, I see that. Extras. Here, can I give you this? You still like it? Thank you, Siamese. Wait, so I think you can rename your cat anytime you... Oh, here's the cat food store. Okay, I'll get some sushi. I'm gonna buy 10. Okay, and I'll buy 10 of these. And I'll buy a couple of those. I literally got down to absolutely 0. Okay. Okay, I can deliver this now. This is like a really fun tycoon game. Tycoon, I think that's how you say it. Like, wow. Scottish Flawed. Scottish Flawed. Little kitty cat. Okay, I'm gonna name him. No. No. Small Face. Perfect. His name is Small Face. Choose. Hello, Small Face. Wait, I need to... Which one's the Scottish? Oh, here's Japanese Bob. Okay, Japanese Bob. I'm gonna name him... Thanos. I named him Thanos. Okay, hey Thanos, what's up? Where's your gauntlet? Is your bell? Wait, you have the Mind Stone already on your bell. Everyone has the Mind Stone, but Cutie. Wait, no, Spot doesn't. Tabby doesn't. A couple of these guys don't. Wait, I need to go feed my kittens. My kittens. Oh yeah, you. What is that? Why do you ask for stuff that I don't even have? Like, oh, you need food. Here, I'll give you a salmon. There you go. I give him a salmon and cat food, so yeah, I understand that it's locked. Okay. Okay, supply should be in here. Wait, I need to open this. Okay, wow, this is like such a crazy game. Oh, spin, yeah. So, this game is it really takes patience because you gotta do all this stuff for your kittens. Okay. Cool. So yeah. Let's feed him one more time. Okay, you're ready to deliver? Oh my gosh. Okay, whoa. Oh, you? What if I fed you that and that? Would you change your mind? There you go. So this is the Siamese. So yeah, this is the cat game. Oh, you're hungry? Here, I'll give you some salmon. Oh yeah, he's already delivering. Okay, let's go get some cat food. Okay, okay, you can't. So I'll just get some dry food. There you go. Boom, got some dry food. Okay, now I just gotta open this basket. Like, there's so much to do. Yeah, guys, so this is basically the game. I'm not gonna end it just yet. I'm gonna get to, I'm gonna try to get to the next type of, type of cat, like posh, yeah, so I'm gonna try to get posh. Okay, which cat I need to feed? Boom, got it. I just gave you so much. Small face, yeah, this guy. Then you got Siamese. No, I need to name it after the real cat. Boop. Boop boop. Boom, boop boop. Hello. Yeah, guys, this is basically catalog. I just realized that. Catalog. So this is basically it. Okay, deliver. Okay. So these guys, I'm trying to like pet them. But I'm gonna go to how do you go to the cats? Spot. Hello, Spot. Okay. So I can get Cotton, or I can get a new cat. I want to get a new cat. New cat. Yes, I got a new cat. Woohoo! It's going to be fat. Oh, wow. Yeah, this will be my last cat of the day. Santa. Boom. So yeah, this is Santa, everyone. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.